hello. My name is Thierry Goossens. I want to demonstrate our SPE interface. What we are showing here is the -6 IEC spec with single pair Ethernet, the T1S spec. So we are showing the minimum capability what the spec is defining, meaning 8 nodes. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nodes. Also the minimum length what they are specifying, that's 3 meters between each node. So we have a 3-meter cable each time. And also the minimum stub length of the interface, which is 10 centimeters. In principle, you could look that this is one long cable of 21 meters, where we are tapping the nodes in a passive interface. This is the start of the network, that's terminated. The end of the network is here, that's also terminated. The rest is not terminated. And yeah, we are showing a number of functionalities here, like for instance, this is the lights of a car that we are demonstrating. The whole network is Ethernet programs. And so the lights are shown here. Lights are shown here as well. Front light, back light. You can also put it in auto mode. In auto mode, we have a light sensor. When I have my hand on the light sensor, the light is going up. Now, suppose that one of the nodes is malfunctioning, then the network should continue to work. So, suppose that this is malfunctioning, and I have to disconnect the network partly, then the system should continue to work. So that is also what we are showing here. The sensor is later in the network, but when I put my hand on it, you see that the system is still continuing to work. This one is of course not functioning, and I'm connecting it back, and you see that everything works again. Okay. Then there are a number of other functionalities. For instance, we have a parking sensor integrated. So that's again different nodes working with each other with Ethernet protocol. So the distance sensor is again here. You see the distance is shown on the LED, and it's also shown on the screen. Some other functionalities are the ecosystem, for instance, in the car. So here quite a lot of interfaces are concurrently working. It measures the humidity, measures the temperature. Sensor is here, and when the temperature is correct, the fans are green. When I put my finger on it, temperature is also shown here on the OLED screen. When I put my finger on it, temperature is rising, and you see that the system starts to cool. So when I put away my finger, temperature is going down and it stops cooling. Some other nice feature is the seat. The seat can be going in all directions with a joystick interface. You can also see it on the OLED screen. And there is also a nice other function that's a gesture. So when I move my hand in a certain direction, up, and you need to practice a bit, and then it shows that you can also have that function. We also have another example is the window. The window can be going up. Animation is shown here. Also the motor is going. You can also do it with the joystick. And for instance, another function with the motors is that when I put my finger in the middle, all the motors are pointing where my finger is. So when I put it here, the And you see how quickly it goes. So there is almost no latency in this network. Another function, for instance, is measuring the pressure in the tire. The pressure is shown here. It's also shown on the OLED screen. Also read that the pressure is good. Here is a pressure sensor. And I press on it, and I need to press quite hard, then you see that at a certain moment the pressure is too high.